An effective guessing strategy is identifying two possible answers. Now, this is not narrowing down to two choices. So say you have answer choices A, B, C, and D. If you were doing something like the process of elimination, you might eliminate A and D, and then you have two answer choices, which is great because now the probability of you getting the correct answer just went from 25% to 50%. But identifying two possible answers is different. Instead, you're looking at A, B, C, and D, and instead of looking at A and D as incorrect, you're immediately identifying that B and C hold the correct answer, that B or C is correct. So there's two primary strategies to do this. One is to look for two similar answer choices, and the opposite is to look for two opposite answer choices. So if you have two similar answer choices, the test writer is probably trying to make sure that you know the correct answer really, really well. So much so that you can discern between two possible answers. So you have A, B, C, and D. And so say that A and C are similar. Could B or D be the correct answer? Absolutely. But probably, since the test writer is using up two answer choices to focus on one concept, one of those is probably going to be correct. Say that D was correct, then the test writer has wasted two answer choices just trying to distract you. So A or C is probably correct. Now, the opposite of this is looking for two opposite answer choices. So say one answer choice is Y is X, and the other answer choice is Y is not X. So what you have here is opposite statements. These are directly opposed to each other. They contradict each other. So of course these both cannot be correct. There's a principle called the law of non-contradiction, which means that contradictory statements cannot both be right in the same sense at the same time. So the catch here is that these could both be wrong. So say this is answer choice A, this is answer choice B, and then you have C and D. C could be the correct answer, and A and B are there just to distract you. But more likely than not, either A or B is going to be correct because they both cannot be right. So you have to choose between those two. So that's a look at identifying two possible answer choices.